Okay, guys, we're back again on a new video reaction. The video you are watching here is the broadcast of Nkere and his group. A few hours after they claim that a lawyer have ordered them to tell Biafrans to fall back to bridge, which is Biafra government in exile, which Biafran have actually responded by saying that it's not possible to receive that kind of message from PM. And some of us have, said something about it. If you have not watched our video, our response, our reaction towards that, you can check here on this channel. We have actually made video for that, although some people have different opinion about that, but that's not why you're here. Nkere is not sleeping. He actually have surfaced again with a different tactics, a way of creating this kind of notion that PM will stay with him, and PM said this and said that, and that refresh our memory based on what DOS have done in the past, which I've highlighted before. So he have a different message, and that message is that he spoke with PM for 30 minutes, and he challenged anyone that claimed, anyone, be it DOS or anybody at all, that have talked to PM after they call him for questioning, that he himself, Nkere, have been on call with PM yesterday for 30 minutes, and PM have a very good feeling with him. They are okay. In fact, that message is secret according to him. As you can see, Sona Akbarawa, is good in propagating propaganda, and he is the initiator of katakata going everywhere. He's the one that turned CS pictures upside down, as you can see on the screen, because I just picked the video from the platform and said to share it with you. I'm not gonna say much. Let's just hear him, then I'll be right back.
Before Honorable Sonny, let me use the opportunity to also thank you. Let me use the opportunity to also let Biafrans know that I spent almost 30 minutes talking to our Prime Minister. After 2 months, we have the opportunity to talk on the phone yesterday. And during that meeting, he made it clear not to say let that conversation don't come public yet. So, but today the conversation after the visit to him today, the conversation is now public because we are waiting for the outcome of today's result. So, of which, for those that believe they are working with him or whatever, do they have phone conversation with him one-on-one before? Have they heard his voice for more than 2 months, almost 2 months now? But yesterday, the acting prime minister, which is still here, standing in the path of the truth with all these honorable ministers and everywhere meaningful Biafra that believe in common sense, that can read the handwriting on the wall, that can smell good and bad. Thank you all for standing strong in this difficult time. Thank you all that have taken the bullet and at the end of the day, see where we are. But I must use the opportunity to just recognize a few that I can.
I believe you have listened to Nkere, what he said just now, because Biafrans did not accept that idea of moving from USB, United States of Biafra, back to Biafran government in exile. Some people said that it's not true. Obviously, I don't believe it's true because I have talked about it. You can watch my video about that. That's my personal opinion. And this is not to say that I'm speaking of predicting what PM could do. Do you understand? If PM come out and said that and said what they said, for example, then I will still maintain my ground that I don't think that Nkere is qualified. That's just me. So I'm not here to say something to predict what will happen in future or what may not happen, but I'm telling you the fact, what I know that is truth. It does not mean that PM will come out and follow what I said, no. But remember, we all have our own different opinion, and we have our own, mind and brain to reason. So don't get it into your head that this guy is saying that and later he failed. I'm not here to tell you what is going to happen in the future, but I can only tell you what I know, what I believe, what I feel. Those things that Nkere is doing is the same way DOS, was doing everything, fighting, pushing themselves to Master Meccano, to the lawyer, trying their best, giving instructions on how to limit PM from hearing anything from Master Namodekano. I remember those days when they were accusing PM of not having access to PM. Master Namodekano, who told you this? He's working for who? He's not under this umbrella. He's not an IPOB member. That's what I'm seeing here. Exactly the same thing, but in a different way, because even DOS are more vocal and more, ready to do anything. Okay, Nkere is ready to do some few things, other things, but when it comes to being vocal, I don't think he can, score any record on that, because the way he talked, the way he paraded himself and other things, it's not for me. So that's my personal opinion, and everybody have right to say their own. But you see, this idea of looking for a way to validate what you think, pushing to validate everything that you said or what you want, is another reason why I don't believe them. Because you don't force yourself, allow it to fall natural. Let people feel it, let people see it. That is what I believe. And that is what has been working for Biafran, before now. You cannot tell me that PM just hear, listen to your own side of the story and decided to rule the issue and say, okay, this is how about our analysis, that we something that is very obvious that we can see. How about some people who claim they are ministers but they choose to use voodoo, and that voodoo did not get you Biafra. That voodoo did not give you freedom. That voodoo did not stop the Master Kano from being kidnapped, or PM from being arrested. These are things that need to sometimes when we choose our words, it's not because we don't know what to say, but we are trying to allow peace to reign. It's not everything that you want or everything that you see that you will say. Sometimes you have to choose and be careful in what your some of some of the things that you are gonna say, because some people don't have the same level of mindset that we do. Some are higher than we have than our own minds. Some are very very lower than the way we reason. So we understand the fact that we have different individuals, but we are trying to bring everybody together, but not bringing you in to lead when you are not supposed to be in the leadership at all. Okay, and I wonder what kind of all of a sudden PM is now seeing dullness as achievement. You are somebody that is very very dull. Come on, this I'm like I said, I don't want this to be as if I'm picking a fight or anybody, because I want to be sure of what you yourself think. I would like to hear from you on this, because they were celebrating that a lawyer said this and said that. All of a sudden, they are now coming down on that because that one did not set properly the way they would have expected. Then the guy himself is now telling you that he have spoken with PM. The lawyer said that he spoke with PM for 3 hours. When some Biafrans questioned that statement, that how can you be speaking PM for 3 hours? What is it that you are discussing with him about? What is it for 3 hours? Okay, let's assume that you spoke with him for 3 hours, and okay, Nkere, I think that he have another way to set this thing, this same agenda. Okay, it's now 30 minutes. Let's assume that you talk to PM, and PM actually said what he said, that he claimed that PM told him. Let's assume. Do you actually think that even if PM said that, okay, don't bring, you are my right hand man, don't worry, once I come back down, I'm gonna do your bidding very very well. It does not stop the fact that you are still not qualified. You are still not there. It's not if PM cannot validate you to the extent of me seeing you as the right person to lead Biafra. I'm being honest. I don't like pretending in issue like this. No, 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 no. I cannot pretend that if PM said that, I'm not saying that I'm going to dispute what PM said, like saying that, oh, PM, you are wrong. My own opinion is that he is not qualified. So I cannot change PM's opinion. PM may say, okay, allow this, which I don't believe, but I'm just saying, assuming that that is what he said truly. And after everything, it happened that PM had a conversation with them. PM hates US. PM said that everybody is wrong, that Nkere is right. I still maintain that, in my own belief, he is not qualified. As simple as that. So forget about that. The people that love him so much, that want him to be in the helm of affair and to tell Biafran what to do and what not to do, to follow him especially, that they're insisting that when you point what your differences between him as a leader, um, it simply means that you want to tear everything apart, that you're working for Orabeze. That is just a propaganda to push a narrative, push an agenda they want, and that agenda is not gonna sell well, because we all know what we want and we all know what we believe on. I'm not here to tell you that I'm saying, oh, CS is the only person you should follow. For now, she is the only person that I believe after PM. My own choice. So if you ask me to choose, okay, is not there, and there's no way I will tell you, oh, he's there, when I know that he's not there. So if you want to pretend about it, you can pretend about it, but I'm commenting just like a citizen. Anyway, I want to hear from you. What is your own take? Do you actually believe that he spoke with PM for 30 minutes? Because from lawyer speaking to PM for 3 hours, now Nkere is speaking, has spoke with PM for 30 minutes. After selling this one, it did not sell well. I'm just helping him to market it so that Biafrans will connect the dot, like I always say. If you know what happened between DS and PM, this thing, you'll be laughing. I'm being honest. You'll be laughing when you read this kind of thing, and more are yet to come. Don't worry. You will see, maybe very soon, you see a white man from Finland telling you that he spoke with PM. I'm not saying it's not possible that he did not speak with PMO, but my own is, what does it change? Will it change the fact that Nkere is not, qualified? Will it change the fact that he refused to give account? What are they trying to validate? Spending time on irrelevant thing and ignore the main issue. Anyway, like the video please if you can, and subscribe to the channel. God bless you, and bye bye for now.